Hi friends, welcome to Jashvi Tech. My name is Harivardhan. In today's video, we'll see how to launch Chrome browser using Selenium. In today's video, I will show you how to get Chrome driver and how to get Selenium standalone server jar file from the internet and how to set up in Eclipse. I will show you today. First of all, we'll go to Selenium official site, that is selenium.dev. This is the Selenium official site. Go to downloads. Here you can find latest stable version of Selenium standalone server. You can download the latest stable version. This is Selenium standalone server. I have already downloaded it in my local. And second one you need is Chrome driver. In order to launch Chrome browser, you need to download Chrome driver. This is the site. Here, based on your installed Chrome browser, the version you need to download. Currently, I have Chrome 89 browser, so I have downloaded Chrome driver and placed it in my local. And how to place it in our Eclipse? Open Eclipse, right click on project, click on build path, click on configure build path. You need to click on libraries, then add external jars, and you need to add whatever you download. Selenium server standalone server jar file, you need to add it here. Let's write a program to launch Chrome browser. Launch Chrome browser. And first of all, I need to set Chrome driver. For that, use system dot set property. Here, Webdriver dot Chrome dot driver, and you need to keep here the path. Path is system dot get user dot here. This will give me the current project path, and then my actual path where I kept my Chrome driver. Chrome driver is the folder. In that I have placed my Chrome driver. After that, create an instance for Chrome driver. And just import this. And in order to open any website or URL, you need to use driver dot get. I want to open Google. Save this, right click, run as Java application. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.